Yes, I still have the 2006 LS430 that I got late last summer. The one with now it's got 151,019 miles. I'm taking it tomorrow to get tires rotated and balanced and an oil change, get it serviced, and I'm getting it cleaned up. This thing was spotless. It's not so spotless anymore. Someone else in the family has been using the car, and it is a little bit filthy, to say the least. You should see the outside. The outside is pretty rough. Little bummed because this car was so mint condition. But hey, that's the way it goes. So I look forward to detailing this car out tomorrow and getting her all cleaned up and getting her ready to sell. God, this car's got the coldest air conditioning. It got up to about 90 today, and I mean, it has frozen me out driving home from work this evening. Got the cruise set on 82, and that's what these cars are made for, just eating up miles and miles of interstate. Just fast lane, miles and miles. That's what I love about these LS's, man. They're great. Got a few little areas that have popped up here recently. I've got some cracking or something going on here on the grab handle. Got to see if I can kind of fix that a little bit. But that's the only new flaw that has popped up in an otherwise immaculate interior. So anyway, I'm almost to the house. I'm about to exit the freeway in just a moment, and I'll do a quick little walk around of what it looks like on the outside. It's pretty gross. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Well, folks, here's the outside. This saddens my heart. I don't know how well this shows up on camera, but this car is supposed to be pearl white, and as you can see, it is just completely filthy. Brake dust. It's picked up a scuff right there. Look at all this crud all over it, man. I think I can write "wash me" on it. Ugh, God, I don't want to. My finger. Yep, she's dirty. I mean, there's so much, you can't really tell, but I mean, look on the roof. There's like mold. See that? Mold. Or not mold, mildew. Or shit, I don't know. Just a mess. Just a freaking mess. Oh, and look at the back of it. How much grime. It literally has not been washed since probably the last time I did it, which would have been fall. I mean, just run it through a drive-through car wash. I mean, that's all you gotta do. I mean, this thing is nasty. Look at that. Look at that. This car was spotless. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. This car was spotless. Spotless. Cigarette ashes. Trash. This is actually for my rabbit. Luckily, the upholstery and everything, a damn crayon. I'm glad that hasn't melted. But luckily, the upholstery and everything's going to clean up. And she'll be fine. Yeah, the leather, the leather's all still real good. I'll just need to put some leather cleaner on it and treat it. I mean, there's some Dorito bags shoved over here. Oh, I just closed the garage with my head. I mean, just, I'm so bummed. All right, I'm gonna grab the keys and we'll crank it up so you can hear it run. All right, I got a little more. Yeah, trash, cups, Dorito bags. Look at this floor mat. Some mysterious stain there. But again, luckily the seats are okay. The carpets will clean up. There's a freaking potato chip. Now there is some ink pen I see on the seat belt, but I'll be able to get that up. But yeah, this cigarette ash, that, oh man, I'm disturbed. All right, but you know what? Shoe's gonna clean up just fine, and man, she still runs good. This is a good running. Let's look under the hood. I bet it's hasn't changed much, but who knows, it may be covered in dust and filth. No, it still looks pretty good. That's good to see. Do the vibration test. Not bad. Most of that's my hand kind of trembling. She still runs good. Okay, well that's it for tonight. I'm gonna get her cleaned up tomorrow. I love those headlights. Get her cleaned up tomorrow, get her serviced, and I'll do a after video. Y'all have a good night. Peace.